Hello, my dear students. It's your social studies class, and today we are going to start a very interesting topic, communication. This is the part 1 of this chapter. As the name of the chapter is communication, so first let me explain you what is the meaning of communication. All you know, man is a social animal. He has always felt the need to express his feelings. An exchange of information between two or more is called communication. Communication involves sending and receiving of messages and thoughts. It was around 5,000 years ago when man started recording his thoughts and ideas. He just used clay tablets, then papyrus sheets and palm leaves, and much later he used paper. Man used to write everything by hand until the printing press was invented by Johannes Gutenberg in 1443. The printing press helped to produce more books in less time and at a cheaper cost. Today, books, magazines, and newspapers have become our companion. In the past, messages were sent by pigeons, parrots, or messengers as there were no other means of communication. But these means of communication were very slow and often the messages were delayed. However, with the development of science and technology, many new ways of communication were introduced, which have brought the people of the world very close. There are two types of communication. First is the personal communication, and second is the mass communication. First, personal communication. When the message is to be given to a one or two people, it is called personal communication. And the means of personal communication are postal service, telegraph, teleprinter, telephone, fax, and the electronic mail or email. Second is the mass communication. When the message is to be given to a large number of people, it is called mass communication. And the means of mass communication are newspapers, radio, television, cinema, internet, and advertisements. Let us start with the personal communication. First mean is postal service. Post office helps us in sending and receiving letters and parcels. We can send letters by normal post, but important or urgent letters can be sent by registered post or speed post. We can also send money by money order through the post office. Second is the telegraph. This technique of sending the message was invented by Samuel Morse in 1837. In this, the messages are sent by an operator in coded language of dots and dashes. At the destination, another operator listens to the message and decodes the same. Third is the teleprinter. With the invention of teleprinter, the telegraph services became more efficient. Through this system, we can send messages 3 times faster than an ordinary telegraph. Fourth is the telephone. Telephone is the most common, convenient, and fastest means of communication. It was invented by Alexander Graham Bell in 1876. With the help of telephone, we can talk to anyone, anywhere in the world. Today, mobile phones have become very popular as they do not have wires and can be carried anywhere. Next is the fax or the facsimile. We can send or receive images of messages and pictures by transmitting them through telephone wires. This is called a facsimile or a fax. The fax machine reproduces an exact copy of the material sent. And the last is the electronic mail or email. It is a recently developed system in which messages are sent and received by computers. It is the cheapest and fastest means of communication. To communicate through email, the sender and the receiver are required to have an email address. Dear students, hope you have understood the personal communication. In the next part, we will learn about the mass communication. Till then, keep doing work, stay safe. Thank you.